Hello YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to use Cam Studio. What you want to do is you want to basically just go to, I'll put the link in the description, but you want to go to Google and type in Cam Studio. Once you're there, you go to here. You pop up at a screen like this. You go down to download links and you click this one. Once that downloads, you exit out of this, go to wherever you're downloading at. Once you download it, it'll pop up in here. Alright, and then you click on that, it'll pop up like this, but that'll be red. You hit that, it'll record anything you want for as long as you want, and then you click stop and it'll save to a file. If you want to upload it, just save it to a file in which you remember and go on YouTube or something and then upload it. If you have any questions regarding this, message me on my YouTube channel. Alright.